The holidays are here, and for some people that means extra stress. So I thought we'd do a little tapping exercise today to help you manage your stress. So you're going to follow along with me, repeat what I say, and we're going to go through the tapping points. The first thing to do is take a deep breath. Notice where you feel the stress in your body. Maybe it's a dull headache, maybe it's your throat or your chest, maybe you're feeling it in your stomach. Whatever it is, just notice it. Now I want you to rate that on a scale of 0 to 10. If 0 is no stress at all and 10 is the most stress you can imagine. Go ahead and give it a rating. Now we're going to keep that in mind. We're going to start with our tapping points. Back of the hand. Even if I have all this stress, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even if I have all this stress, I love myself unconditionally. In spite of all this stress I have, I love and respect myself. Good. All this stress. I have so much to do. I don't know if I can get it all done. I have so many demands on my time. I feel so stressed out. I feel almost overwhelmed by the stress. My relationships are suffering. I'm not sleeping very well. I have so much stress in my life. All this stress. Good. Now go to the fingernail points. Now go to the top of your hand between your ring finger and pinky. Close your eyes. Open them. Look down hard to one side. Now look to the other side. Now roll your eyes around in a circle a couple of times. Go back in the other direction. Good. Now hum or sing a little song. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Count to 40 by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40. And sing a little more. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Good, go back and do all your points again. Now we're going to focus on the positive aspects. So it's going to be fine. I'm going to get through this just fine. I know exactly how to manage my stress. I can just take a deep breath and do some tapping, and I know it'll all get done. I should just be gentle with myself. Just relax. Everything's going to be fine. I can feel my stress releasing. I choose to release this stress. Good. Take a deep breath. Notice what your body feels like. Notice if you still feel stress in the same place that you did a few minutes ago. And now take a second to rate your stress on a scale of 0 to 10. Remember, 0 is no disturbance at all, and 10 is the most disturbance you can imagine. You'll probably notice that your stress is at least a few numbers lower than it was when you first started the exercise. And the point is to get to 0. So you might need to do another round or 2, and you might want to focus in on some specific aspects of your stress. Maybe it's family, maybe it's all the stuff that having a lot of extra food around is kicking up about food and body image issues. Maybe it's politics at the office. Whatever it is, you can be more specific in your tapping, because the more specific you are, the better the results are going to be for you. So I hope you find this helpful. If you do like it, you can follow me on social media, check out my YouTube channel, or check out my webpage.